Today, we have a 2026 Wildwood travel trailer. This 31KQBTS is. The exterior of this unit features an 18-foot electric awning, outdoor kitchen with a small fridge, sink, and extendable griddle from the rear, and front pass-through compartment. Starting in the very front of the unit, we have the master bedroom. This room features a king-size Versa-tilt bed with overhead cabinets, outlets on both sides, and a closet on the left side of the bed. Moving back into the living area, we see the entertainment center. It features a prep location for TV and electric fireplace. Next we see the Versa Lounge. This area can convert to a sleeping area and also free up more seating for the dinette. The lounge also features storage totes underneath. Here we see the pantry closet. Moving into the kitchen area, we see the 12-volt refrigerator. To the left of that is the 3-burner range and overhead microwave. Finally, we see the large single-bowl sink. Next, we have the unit's bathroom. It features a backlit vanity mirror and sink, walk-in shower, and foot flush toilet. Finally, in the very rear of the unit, we have the bunk room. This room features 3 bunks, Versa Queen sofa, prep location for a TV, 2 closets, and some storage bins. For more info or pricing on this unit, please visit our website or give us a call.